Hey guys, John Price here, Director of Vehicle Design for E.C.D Automotive Design here in Kissimmee, Florida. And today we're going to talk to you about our most recent summer builds. Number one, I'd like to start off with Project Pivot. Project Pivot actually is a very bold looking Defender 110. Is a soft top with black canvas, orange body color, and black accents throughout. It looks stunning. It has a contrasting light tan interior, but at the same time it's very simple in a way that it doesn't have all the roll cages or frames, if you will, that you see in most of these Defenders, but rather the client wanted to keep something very subtle, so the color will work as the biggest accent on the vehicle, and it does it really well. And in terms of the usability of the car, this would be like a perfect beach truck. If you want to take the entire family out to dinner in one car, you can certainly do that with something like this, and be very comfortable at the same time with a larger party. Another build that really was amazing was Project Point Break. A lot more of a detailed build where there's a lot of custom pieces that went in there, a lot of contrasting materials, distressed leather, for instance, versus hydro dip wood paneling inside the car. Also have wood decking in the rear. So all in all, it gives you a very nautical feel for the car. You almost feel like you're riding in a boat in a good way. And it's absolutely stunning. It's like got this cool khaki gray exterior that's more like a powder blue color in gloss, and it just looks fantastic. Again, it intended to go on a summer vacation home, and probably the perfect combination of attributes in there to make that happen. Then we have Project Ketchum, which is also a Defender 90 convertible, and perhaps has a little bit more of a rugged stance. It's got a very prominent ARB front bison bumper, which is again taking the whole fascia and cover it with checker plates on the hood as well as on the fender sides. And again, it looks more rugged, more beefy in that way. But at the same time, of course, it's got a Porsche graphite blue exterior that makes it look a little bit more modern, sawtooth wheels, things like that, that really wrap it up really nicely. But again, a different take on a Defender than Point Break or Pivot for that matter. Then we have Project Hutton, which is also a very bright, gorgeous looking Defender 110 convertible. It's got a almost like a white porcelain interior with yellow accents throughout, Porsche frozen blue metallic exterior, Brembo brakes. Also, it's got the monstrous 650 horsepower LT4 GM V8 engine, and it's just an absolute blast to drive. So someone that was looking for performance as well as fun, this is definitely a very interesting combination with Project Hutton. And then lastly, we have Project Flamingo, which is a Defender 90 soft top as well, painted in Keswick green eggshell finish. So it does give you a little of old school feel with the steel wheels and the overall build of the car, but it's got some modern accents inside, a light tan interior, Puma dash, and a few other conveniences like your LS3 Corvette engine to really help you with performance and as well as making it really fun to drive. So as you see, we have such a range, even for a very specific type of build that you want to do, where you get to select essentially what's important to you and what really makes this a unique vehicle for each individual client. So of course, if you're ever in the market or curious as to how we do this amazing trucks, please seek us out, reach out to us by social media or look us up online, and we'll be happy, of course, to share some of our thoughts and give you some ideas, we hope, so that you can build one of these amazing Defenders with us at some point in the future.